Okay, now that my clay is ready to use, I'm going to shape it into a cylinder. I will do that by beveling the edges of the clay. I'm gonna bevel by making these 45-degree cuts on both ends. So now that I have this, you can see in here, this one is cut in a 45-degree angle, and so is that one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the side that looks the best. So this one looks better than this side. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm going to roll this clay all the way around. Now that my cylinder is made, the next step I'm going to work on is to make the base for this cup. Just trim the difference. And again, always working on a shape is always nice and round. Going to blend everything together so it looks good. Now we are going to work on making the handle for this project. So what I'm gonna do in here first is get this little chunk of clay. Try to get the clay nice and smooth and the same size, right? So Now that my handle is made and score and slip, now I'm just going to put this together. Cup is finished. I attached the handle. So the next thing we are going to do is just add some details on the outside. For this assignment that you guys are going to be working, at least on the construction part. Now I'm just scrubbing off this clay on top. You are going to create your mug, and then you're going to do your handle. Now the emphasis on this assignment is the handle that you are making, so make sure you guys do take some time to research and find out what kind of handle you want to have, and then take time to build your project and build it well, so it will stick together, it will stay together, and you're not gonna have any problem and have to restart. This is it. I'm just looking here for some details. Make sure that everything looks good before I put this out to dry. Okay.